Hi everyone, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Isabelle from Animal Crossing New Horizons. She's always doing cute funny things like falling asleep while working or smelling the flowers on her desk, video chatting with her parents, and she's always losing her socks in the laundry. She's super cute. I mean, come on, who doesn't love Isabelle? I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper or any other medium of your choice. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off by drawing her hair. Draw two curved lines downwards away from each other like this. Then draw two small curves at the bottom on either side. From the top of those lines, draw another set of curved lines outwards, keeping it symmetrical on both sides. Now from the midpoint, draw the top of the hair by drawing rounded lines coming down and meeting each side of your hair you just drew. Next, let's draw the outline of her face. Isabelle has a pretty square-shaped face that comes out slightly at the bottom where her cheeks are. Draw a line downwards from her bangs and curve it out slightly at the bottom. Do this on both sides and then connect the two lines at the bottom. Now let's draw her hair. At the top of her head, in the middle, draw a rectangular shape. This is going to be her hair tie. To the left of it, draw a rounded circle for her bell. Inside the bell, draw a black oval and then a small line coming out the left side. Now draw a large bump coming out from the bell and attaching it back to her hair tie. On the right side, draw a smaller bump. Inside the smaller bun, draw a U shape. Now inside the larger bun, draw a wavy line like this. That's it for her hair. Now let's draw her ears. She has droopy doggy ears, so draw a long oval shape coming out from the side of her bangs. The bottom of each ear should hit around the same level as the bottom of her face. Next, let's draw her eyes. She has super cute puppy dog eyes that droop downwards slightly. Draw two curved thick lines under each piece of her hair. Next, draw two long oval shapes coming out of these for her eyes. Draw two more ovals inside and color the space in black. For her nose, in the center of her face, draw an upside-down triangle and color it in black. Next, for her mouth, draw two small lines here. Then draw a rounded V shape to connect them. Now let's move on to her body. In New Horizons, she's wearing a Hawaiian-looking shirt. Start by drawing a small V shape in the center under her face. Extend out the left line slightly. Draw her collar by drawing a small upside-down V shape coming out from the center of each collar and drawing the lines outwards. She has a triangular shaped body, so draw two lines coming out from the collar that come out slightly further towards the bottom. Then connect them at the bottom with a curved line. Now to draw her sleeves, draw a curved line coming out from the top of her collar and then a second line back to connect it to the body. Now from her collar, draw a straight line down her shirt. Then another line to the left of it. Within these 2 lines, draw 4 small circles for her buttons. On the top right of her shirt, draw a circle for her badge. We will draw the leaf logo in when we color her. Now we're going to draw her arms coming out of each sleeve by drawing long U shapes. The length of her arms should be around the same level as the bottom of her shirt. Next, let's draw her skirt. Slightly inwards from the sides of her shirt, draw 2 curved lines down, then connect them at the bottom. Draw 2 short lines coming up from the bottom of her shirt for the skirt pleats. Now her legs. Draw 2 long U shapes coming out the bottom of her skirt. For her shoes, draw a rectangular shape but without the bottom line at the bottom of her leg, and then draw 2 lines outwards. Lastly, let's draw her tail. From the bottom right side of her skirt, draw a teardrop shape coming out and connecting back in at the bottom of her skirt. Then, inside her tail, draw a wavy line. And that's it for Isabelle's drawing. Now let's quickly get her colored. And done! Hope you enjoyed drawing Isabelle with me. Comment below if you want to see any other Animal Crossing characters or villagers. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!